Hamjambo, jina langu ni Abdul Karim. Welcome to this Swahili lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn about feelings and emotions in Swahili. How you can express your feelings and emotions in Swahili. Normally, we have few number of adjectives in Swahili. Therefore, this is compensated by the use of verbs to express emotions and other adjectives. So we have few number of adjectives in Swahili. This is compensated also by using verbs to express some adjectives. Also by using the verb to be or to have to express emotions or adjective in Swahili. We will see in these examples. 1. Kuwa na furaha. Kuwa na furaha means to be happy. To be happy. Or to have happiness. Actually, the correct translation for kuwa na furaha is to have happiness. But in English, it will be to be happy. So, kuwa na means to have. Furaha is happiness. You see, furaha is a verb. Is a noun, sorry. Furaha is a noun. Kuwa na is to have. So, this simply means to have happiness. An example in a sentence is Nina furaha. Nina furaha, I am happy. But the literal or the exact translation is I have happiness. I have happiness. But the English one is I am happy. Second one, kuwa na huzuni. Huzuni is sadness. Sadness. Kuwa na is to have. So when I say kuwa na huzuni, it means I have sadness. But the translation here is to be sad. So you cannot say I have sadness in English, you know. It doesn't make sense. So you need to say to be sad. I am sad. Okay. So Nina huzuni is I am sad. Nina huzuni. I am sad. Okay. Tatu. Kuwa na hasira. Hasira is anger. So kuwa na hasira is to have anger. The translation here is to be angry. Example in a sentence is Nina hasira. Nina hasira simply means I am angry or I have anger. You see, Nina means I have. Nina and hasira is anger. So I have anger. We just say I am angry, okay? 4. Tulivu, calm. Tulivu, calm. Oh, you can say utulivu, calmness. Utulivu, calmness. Nina utulivu, I am calm. The exact translation here is I have calmness, but doesn't make sense. So you need to say I am calm. Nina utulivu. Nina utulivu. Or you can say nimetulia. I am relaxed. I am calm. Nimetulia. 5. Kusisimka. Kusisimka, now this is a verb. Kusisimka means to be excited. To be excited. Example in a sentence is Nimesisimka leo. Nimesisimka leo. I am excited today. Nimesisimka leo. 6. Kuchoka. This is a verb as well. To be bored or to be tired. This verb, kuchoka, means to be bored or to be tired. Nimechoka sana. Nimechoka sana. I'm very bored or I'm very tired. It means two things. You need to understand this, okay? If you're bored with something, you can say nimechoka na. Let's say I am bored with pilau. You say nimechoka na pilau. You can also say nimechoshwa na pilau. Nimechoshwa na pilau. I'm bored with pilau. You know, pilau is a kind of food. Nimechoshwa na kula ugali. I'm bored of eating ugali, you know. If something is boring, then you say inachosha. Inachosha. Hii inachosha. This is boring. Also, it means this is tiring. This is tiring. You know? But we have the word inabo. Inabo, actually, this is from English to bore. When you're speaking English and Swahili, you can be tempted to say in a bore. In a bore means it's boring, but it's sheng, okay? In a bore, it's sheng. Say inachosha, or just inachosha. It means it's boring or it's tiring, okay? 7. Kuaibika. Kuaibika is also a verb. It means to be embarrassed. Kuaibika. Niliaibika jana. I was embarrassed yesterday. I was embarrassed yesterday. Kuchanganyikiwa. It's also a verb. Kuchanganyikiwa. From the word kuchanganya, to mix, like you're mixing your brain, Kuchanganyikiwa is to be confused. If someone is explaining something and you're confused, you can just say nimechanganyikiwa. I am confused. If you want to say it in the past, then you say nilichanganyikiwa. I was confused. Nilichanganyikiwa. I was confused. Example in a sentence is nimechanganyikiwa. I am confused. So if this explanation is confusing you, then you can write in the comment section by saying, Mwalimu, nimechanganyikiwa. Teacher, I am confused. Mwalimu, nimechanganyikiwa. Okay. 9. Kuogopa. Kuogopa is to be nervous. Kuogopa. You see, I written 2 words, kuogopa number 9 and kuogopa number 10. The first one is to be nervous. The latter is to be afraid. Kuogopa number 9, to be nervous. Example, ninaogopa sana. I am very nervous. You can as well say nina uoga. Uoga is nervousness. So nina means I have. Nina. So nina uoga means I'm nervous. I am nervous. Nina uoga sana. I'm very nervous. Okay? 10. Kuogopa, to be afraid. You can as well say nina uoga to mean to be afraid. Same thing. Ninaogopa sana. I'm very afraid. 11. 11. Kushangaa. Kushangaa. To be surprised. To be surprised. Nilishangaa sana. I was so surprised. Nilishangaa sana. 12. Kuwa na wivu. Wivu is a noun. It means jealousness. Like jealousy, Jealousness is wivu, or jealousy is wivu. So if you are jealous, then you say, Nina wivu. I am jealous. Nina wivu. 13. 13. Kuwa na kiu. Kuwa na kiu. To be thirsty. So, if you want to say I'm thirsty, you simply say Nina kiu. Nina kiu. 14. 14. Kuwa na njaa. Kuwa na njaa. Njaa is hunger. Kuwa na is to have. So we can say kuwa na njaa, to be hungry. Example in a sentence, Nina njaa sana. Nina njaa sana. I am very hungry. Nina njaa sana. 14. Kuhisi baridi. This is 15 actually instead of 14. Kuhisi baridi. Kuhisi baridi means to feel cold. So we combined 2 verbs here, to a verb and then a noun. Baridi is cold. Kuhisi is to feel. So we say kuhisi baridi. To feel cold. Ninahisi baridi. I am feeling cold. Ninahisi baridi. 15, which is our 16 now. Kuhisi joto. Kuhisi joto means to feel hot. If you go to Mombasa or Zanzibar or Dar es Salaam, then utahisi joto. You will feel hot. Example in a sentence is ninahisi joto. Ninahisi joto. I am feeling hot. 16, which is our 17, or 17 actually. So you know the number 14, we have two number 14 here. So number 16 is supposed to be 17. Kuwa mgonjwa. Kuwa mgonjwa. To be sick, or to become sick. Kuwa mgonjwa. You say, mimi ni mgonjwa. Mimi ni mgonjwa. Mimi ni mgonjwa means I am sick. Mimi ni mgonjwa. You see, words like mgonjwa, they are very few in Swahili. The adjective that are describing a noun, they're very few. Therefore, that's why we use some verbs, and we also use the verb to be or to have to describe our situations. We cannot say mimi ni baridi. If you say mimi ni baridi, it means I am cold, but your name is cold. That's why we say mimi ni na baridi. Mimi ni na baridi. Similarly, if you say kiu is thirst, if you say mimi ni kiu, it means I'm kiu, and my name is kiu. But if you want to say I'm thirsty, you need to say nina kiu. What I want to advise you, in order to learn this, just watch this video 1 time, 2 times, and write down, okay, how we use these words or adjectives. We don't have several adjectives again in Swahili, okay? That's why we use some verbs to describe the adjectives. If you have any question or you didn't understand correctly, ask in the comment section. I really appreciate you for watching this video, and if you're new on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any other lesson that I'll upload. And if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to learn from my future lessons and my previous lessons as well. Kwaheri.